Freshwater fish tilapia, when cooked in my home-style mustard and coconut paste, makes the mild-tasting fish rich and flavorful. Hi everyone and welcome to Lite Food, and today I am going to make the tilapia mustard curry. To begin the recipe, I will take 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds and 2 green chilies in a grinder. Next, I will add 3 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes or 1 whole dry red chili, half an inch of ginger root. I didn't have the ginger root, so adding the powder, but it's best to add the fresh one. Now to these ingredients, I'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and grind the spices to smooth paste. The fennel seeds added is going to balance the pungent and spicy taste of the mustard. Now to this mustard paste, add 2 tablespoons of curd or yogurt and 2 tablespoons of coconut cream or 4 tablespoons of coconut milk. Both the curd and coconut will add richness and creamy texture to the gravy. The spice paste is ready, just keep it aside. Now a simple marination of salt and turmeric to the tilapia fish. These are freshwater fish which are high in protein and less in fats and calories. Apply the salt and turmeric all over the fish and keep aside. Now in an iron wok or a pan, take half a cup of onion sliced to make the onion bed, on which place the fish fillets. And on the top, pour the mustard gravy paste that we made earlier. As you can notice, I am not adding any oil as the mustard seeds and coconut cream will provide the grease. The mustard smell is making my whole kitchen aromatic. End the preparation by adding a handful of roughly chopped coriander leaves and put it on the stove to cook till the perfection. Cover to seize the steam and let it to cook for a good of 25 to 30 minutes on low heat. The cooked mustard smell indicates the cooking is done. Now serve hot on a plate and enjoy with steamed boiled rice. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you soon with one more light recipe. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.